na maunawaan natin ang ating mga karapatan dito sa Amerika para maipaglaban po natin ang mga karapatan na yan because we are entitled to those rights. And that's why today on the show, we would like to celebrate and congratulate the 24th anniversary, Attorney Joe Zayas of Joe Zayas Law. Hello and welcome to Kababayan LA. Congratulations.
Thank you, Janelle. Thanks for having me here.
You know, 24 years, it's been a long time of you serving the Filipino community. Marami na kayong mga natulungan. Ano ba yung mga most memorable cases in the past 24 years?
Well, we have represented a lot of Filipinos and their families with respect to accident claims. We've tried the cases in court. We have litigated their cases in court. At sa awan ng Diyos, naka-recover tayo ng what is due for them in terms of their accident claims, insurance claims, as well as wage and overtime claims.
But you as a lawyer, you know, you're one of the most brilliant Filipino lawyers out there. And that's why we are proud to have you. Can you tell us a little bit of your background? UP, George Washington University. Tell us about those.
First, it's UP. I went to the UP College of Law. It's actually Georgetown University Law Center, as opposed to George Washington.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
I was there, and when I migrated here, after having practiced law with the Angara law firm in the Philippines, I was assigned to represent major insurance companies. That's where I learned, you know, a lot of, you know, technical information about insurance, how to help accident victims, how to prosecute the cases in court. At ang mahalaga kasi, kinukumbine natin ang ating pagiging Pilipino, naintindihan natin ang kultura at saka yung wika ng ating kapwa Pilipino. At the same time, pag naintindihan na natin, we're able to effectively advocate their interests in court.
Gaano ka-importante na ang abogado mo Tagalog? Kasi halimbawa, tayo mga Pilipino, nakakaintindi naman tayo ng English at nakakapagsalita din tayo ng English. Pero bakit pagka pumipili ng abogado, mas maganda ata yung Tagalog speaking?
Alam mo sa mga, magbigay tayo ng specific examples sa serious injury cases, hindi lang pinag-uusapan natin, Janelle, ang medical expenses or loss of earnings. These are economic damages. Pero yung mahalaga, yung tinatawag nilang emotional damages, pain and suffering, general damages, yun yung mga nararamdaman ng ating mga Pilipino. Ano ba talaga ang kahalagahan pag nawala yung isang ama o isang ina o isang anak o kapatid? We have handled a number of wrongful death cases or serious brain injury cases. Ano ba talaga ang emotion which is part of the significant damages? Mas mahalaga yun sa mga medical expenses. At importante na i-disclose, nasasabi ng ating kababayan ang kanilang tunay na karamdaman.
Ayan. Okay. At dalawa ang areas of practice ng Joe Zayas Law. First is employment. Meron tayong mga 5 issues na kailangan intindihin dito sa employment. Number 1, kahalagahan ng sweldo in today's economy. Karapatan natin na makakuha ng tamang sweldo. Anong explanation dito, attorney?
Tamang sweldo in the sense na marami sa ating kababayan ang talagang masipag. They work more than 8 hours a day or more than 40 hours a week. Pero dahil sa ibang employers' practices, hindi sila nababayaran ng ganap na sweldo. For example, yung mga nurses, mga Filipino nurses natin, yung iba, tumatanggap sila ng differential pay on top of, let's say, their hourly rate. Pero yung differential pay, hindi sinasama sa pagko-compute ng overtime. Let's say $5 on top of the $30 regular rate.
And that is yung overtime, no? Importante rin na magkaroon ng meal breaks at mga rest breaks yung mga empleyado. Also, what do you mean na pagka is your time compensated? How do we measure that?
Kasi minsan meron tayong mga sitwasyon, ibang empleyado, they have traveling time. Sasabihin ng employers kanila, nagta-travel ka lang naman, hindi ka dapat bayaran, wala ka sa opisina. Pero actually, inutusan sila. Okay? Traveling technicians, traveling employees, yan, yung mga traveling time na yan. In some situations, kailangan bayaran ng mga employer.
Alright. And earlier we saw also independent contractor. Maraming mga nuances yung mga explanations, and that is why we encourage you to call Josiah's Law Office. That's the number on the screen. You do give a free consultation, but I know that you have something big coming up in relation to your 24th anniversary. Can you tell us about that?
Yes, we realize we've been serving the community for 24 years. At bilang pasasalamat sa pagtangkilik ng ating mga kliyente, ng ating mga kaibigan, kami mag-sponsor ng raffle, free raffle.
Ayan.
All they have to do is call or email our law office, and we have exciting prizes. We have Laker tickets.
Oh, Laker tickets.
Yeah.
Wow. Baka pati ako sasali sa raffle. But anyways, thank you so much for serving our community for 24 years, and congratulations to you.
Thank you very much.
More power.
Okay.
Dito po bobolahin ang raffle na yan, kaya abangan nyo po ang mga announcements dito sa Kababayan LA at magbasa po ng dyaryo because they have announcements also in the different Filipino-American newspapers. We will be back more. Don't go away.